Okay, we're starting to get a little bit of success here now. Two of the things that I was able to rescue out of the house were two walk around room air conditioners, which Tommy has been storing for me, and I just got both of them going. So that's what they look like, and they're on casters and you can move them around. Now if I can, because the summer here it's impossible to sleep without air conditioning or be totally impervious to sandflies, which only a dead person is. So, oh man, that is ice cold. Now if I can I'll set this up in the back of the Bronco, and so then I can close it down and sleep in the Bronco at night in the summer. What I've got to do now is find someone who can rent me some electricity, and I'll just drive the Bronco up to the side of their house and I'll be cool.